Welcome to the Fundamentals of Industrial Engineer course. Today we will take talk a little about production and activity or production volume. Refers to the quantity of products or service that a company manufactures or provides within a specific period of time. This metric is often use it to assess the productive activity of an organization and can be measured in different ways depending on the industry and the type of production or service. The production of goods can be measured in physical units, such as pieces, finishes, productions, or components. For example, in an automobile factory, the production volume can be expressed in terms of how many vehicles were manufactured in given month. For service-oriented companies, the production volume can be more abstract and challenging to quantify. For instance, in a consulting firm, the production volume meet the measure by the number of projects completed or the number of the custom hours provided. Analyzing production volumes serves various purposes. Number one, capacity evolution. Number two, resource planning. Number three, financial decision making, performance tracking, and five, goal setting. In summary, production volume is key metric for managing and evolution and companies' performance regardless in the industry operates in. Very nice. This is message I would code like to pass on today. Thank you very much. Want you next time.